Our headlines for you today: an above-inflation pay rise for nearly 1 million public sector workers on the coronavirus front line, including doctors, teachers and police officers.
But how will it be paid for, and what actual difference will it make for workers' pay packets? I'll be finding out.
The long-awaited report into Russian interference in British politics will be released later this morning.
It is going down to the wire as England beat the West Indies at Old Trafford. That will set up a thrilling third test decider for them.
It's one of the most stunning railway journeys in Britain. Now a new service on the Settle to Carlisle line will help to kickstart the local economy.
The River Thames is severely polluted with plastic, according to a new report. It has some of the highest recorded levels of microplastics for any river in the world. Researchers are calling for stricter regulations on the labelling and also the disposal of plastic products. They're warning that careless disposal of things like gloves and masks during the current pandemic might make the situation even worse.
Today's newspapers, we'll start with The Guardian this morning, and The Guardian's headline is about the coronavirus vaccine breakthrough produced at the University of Oxford. Trials suggest the jab appears safe and trains the immune system. We'll be talking about it a little bit later.
The Daily Express reports that there will be a pay rise reward for frontline public sector workers. The paper says teachers, doctors and nurses will be rewarded with inflation-busting pay increases.
The Daily Telegraph leads with what it says are some of the findings of an upcoming report into Russian interference in UK politics. We talked about that a bit earlier. The paper says the report, due to be published later this morning, finds Moscow tried to influence the result of the 2014 Scottish independence referendum. The photo is of Boris Johnson on a visit to a school in Kent.